So I go out into the world today, and I hear that it's falling on its knees. All the money's going down the drain, and everybody seems to be going insane. Well, I'm sitting here, looking out my window through my Indian flag, 'cause I'm on Indian land. People that I know don't seem to want to talk about it. They like living on the concrete island, don't want to have dirt under their feet. They want furnaces instead of a fireside campfire. They want barbecues instead of a campsite fire. Now they keep on telling me, let's go shopping. What they keep on telling me, I don't wanna make nothing. What they keep on telling me, I just wanna go shopping. What they keep on telling me, I don't wanna go and make nothing. So I look out my window today, wondering why everybody's gone insane. Some people go and blame it on them, and they pull the names out of the hat and say it was them. I don't know about all those things. I know somebody's gone and done something, but it's not up to me to be the police of the world and sit in my armchair telling everybody what to do like the people all around me. But lucky for me, I've got McDowee and a couple of cool cats on the scene, because they never seem to make me feel any misery. They just come up with another idea. Yeah, we know the world's going down on its knees, but we did not live beyond our means. Yeah, we know the world's going down on its knees, but we chose not to live beyond our means. That's why you don't see us on TV throwing stuffed teddy bears at stone buildings. 'Cause we're not blaming anybody. We know everybody's here, but I don't see anybody and everybody doing anything about it, just sitting at home waiting. I feel something's going on. I don't know what it is, and I don't know what to do about it. Oh, well, wake up and have a look out your window. Take a look up to the sky, that's the best TV you're ever gonna have in your life. The channel's never the same. No matter how old you are, you'll never learn the game. Promotion of distortion, falling to the ground. Promotion of distortion, falling to the ground. I'm not the one to come and save the world from your misery, and you're not the one who's coming to deliver insanity. You came to this earth to see something that was beautiful, is all you've got to remember. No matter what they tell ya, it's true. Beautiful, it's true.